Go, go! Kulang tayo, go! Tuloy-tuloy lang, sige! Go! Okay, time. Yan, card mo isa, yan! Good, yan! Go! Go! Yan! Bakit? Yan, go! Focus na, tayo! Alternating, go! Alternating down, yan! Go, pupo! Yan, go! Go, ball down, go! High yung left, high! Go! Dribble high yung left, yan! Yan! Yung right naman, yung high, go! Yan! Go!
Gelson. So, we'll just focus on one hand first. So, there are 3 different colors, red, green, and blue. Okay? Every time na magre-red, ball taps. Every time na mag-blue, pound the ball hanggang hips. Kapag na-green, shoulder, pound tayo.
Okay? Green. Shoulder high. Yan, more, shoulder high. Nice one. Ball taps. Good job. Ball taps. Ayaw mag-green. Okay, hip side. Yan, good job tayo. Ball taps. Good job, Tay. Good for Tay. I like your energy today. Nice one. Hip side. Nice one, hip side. Good job, Theo. Hip. Ano? Oo nga, dapat kinuha mo. Sige, takbo mo. Go. Yung susi. Para masira yun eh. Nice one, Theo. Okay, same pero walking forward. So what is green? Push cross. Red. Pound over pocket. Okay? So you don't have to tap. It will automatically change. Okay? Naka-time out lang siya. Okay? Tara. Go. Move forward. Push cross. Bakit? Push cross. There. Nice. So, instead of doing one move, we're going to do 2 moves na. Pero dadagdagan ko yung time. Okay? So what is green? Very good. Red? Between the two. Okay, blue? Behind the back. Okay, very good. Sige, tuloy mo. Nice one. Pound. Good job. Go, keep going. Nice one. Nice one. Swipe. Through. Ulit. Go. Swipe. Ulit. Swipe. Go. Yan. Through behind. Good job. Nice one. Through under. Nice one. Good read, pare. Through behind. Nice one, Theo. Perfect, Theo. Hoy, through under, sir. Good job. Through under.
Do that. Hindi ba, kumbaga, ang mindset mo, hindi pwede sa akin yan, hindi pwede sa akin yan.
Swipe.
You understand? So you have to protect the ball all the time. Ready?
Nice one. Through behind. Stop. Nice one. Okay. Go top. 2, 3 ah. Nice one. Don't stop.
Yun.
Nice one. Okay, fake. Wow. Gonna use 2 balls. Tapos gagamit tayo nitong bakal for ball accuracy. Okay, so this side, you're gonna do a bounce pass. That side, chest pass. Okay? Bounce pass, chest pass. So let's start pala with 1 ball. Then ipo-progress ko ng 2 balls. Okay? Quick. 1. Quick. 2. Step. Go. Step. Let's go. 1, 4, 5.
Go, go. Sige, kahit anong bounce mo.
10. Other way. Nice one. 1. There. Yan. That's one. Nice. To receive the ball, go into your shot. Okay? Open up. Open up. Open stance, not like that. Yan. Okay? Open up. Click. Yan. Nice one. Okay. Finish with your right. Go. You see the difference? Go. Wow. Teo. Go.
Uli. Yan, go, go. Yan. Yan, go. Uli, uli. Yun, grabe yun. Uli. Okay, last one. Ayos, Teo.